I want to play it now. Come on, load faster. Hurry up, mate. I want to play Unreal Tournament. Go. Start the bloody game. Start the game. You son of a bitch. I want to play. I'm not gonna say it again. Come on, mate. Get out of my way. What is this shit? Holy moly, what has just happened? I want to play Unreal Tournament. Quick start. Let's get started. 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 Play, you wonker. Just play. Play Unreal Tournament. It's loading. It's loading. I don't want it to load. When it loads, you always have to wait for so long. I don't want to wait. I want to play Unreal Tournament. Think positive. Just think positive. Starting soon, yeah? Positive. It's starting. Here we go. You son of a bitch. Take that. I've killed him. Go. Go take that. Eat my molten shit. You son of a bitch. I'm gonna kill you. I'm pressing fire. The escape button is missing. The escape button? Where is it? Where is the escape button? I want... Where is it? Where is it? I don't need help and support. I don't need help. I don't need help. The H button has the enter button, alright, alright. Now I'm gonna wreck you, sons of bitches. Damn it, it's not working. Now I'm gonna wreck you, sons of bitches. I'm gonna wreck you all. Take this, you whore. I'm gonna kill you. I've killed him. I'm going to kill you all. Eat this, you son of a bitch. I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you. I'm gonna shoot you. I'm just going to shoot you with the assault rifle. Which bastard is shooting at me? God save the Queen!